How to get $80 TEMU promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in TEMU promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo code for the TEMU. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. You can just scroll down and check. 15% offer, 10% coupon, $100 offer, 30% coupon, and many more. Just scroll and check. You'll also find $80 coupon. You just have to scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the coupon and want to use it, all you have to do is click on this option of Show Coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can use it. You can copy this code. Now I can head towards the website of TEMU, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of View Discount at TEMU. With that, you will be directed to the official website of TEMU. Now I can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section for promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you will get certain amount as discount. Likewise, we can also try out other offers. Also, you can check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for TEMU. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $80 TEMU promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.